I'm here with my buddy. Are you ready? Tell him who you are. Jim Mays. Long time, buddy. Are you ready? Here we go. Again, many of you have asked me to record the rest of the road on the Blue Ridge Trail. So I'm going to start back at Blue Ridge Campground because that's where I left off and as far as I went before. And we'll take it as far as we can go today. All right. Jim and I are going to drive the Blue Ridge Road here from the Blue Ridge Campground as far as we can go back there, hopefully including Guffy Campground so we can see how it did in the bridge fire. So in 2025, the bridge fire started. That's Iron Mountain in the distance. I'm not sure you can see it in the camera, but it started over on the San Gabriel side on the far south side of the mountain range. At the same time, there was a fire in Big Bear going on, and almost all the resources were there. And since the fire was moving to an unoccupied area where there wasn't any buildings or structures, they were a little slow in getting aircraft over here. Well, the result of that is the city of Wrightwood was threatened, and obviously they had to evacuate everyone. It burned almost 50,000 acres. And so what you're going to see is a lot of these logs cut. As you can see them stacked over there. You can see a lot of these logs cut and on the side of the road, which I addressed in the last video. So with that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff. All right, we're leaving Blue Ridge. You can see all these logs they've cut down, these trees. It's a beautiful day out here. All right. So the good news is Guffy, you can see the bathroom over there. Looks like it did pretty good. I mean, there's some trees that burned down that they've cut down, but most of the campsites are intact. The bathroom is intact. It actually is pretty good. Pine Mountain in the distance. So yeah, it's nice to see that this place is intact and it's open for camping. There's a camper over there. So we're going to move on down the road. And we'll pick you up on the road. Well, we have a problem with Jim's bike. Apparently the battery died. It's a new lithium battery, and so he's in a safe place with plenty of water and things he needs. So I'm going to ride out, grab a truck and a trailer, and come back in, and we'll pick up his bike. Hopefully he stays where he needs to stay. He's pretty smart about this stuff, so I'm pretty sure he will. But in the meantime, just enjoy the ride.
Standing at the edge of everything I know. Every step I took was just a way to grow. Scars across my hands, but I can feel them heal. Learning that the broken parts are still real. Throwing off the weight I carried way too long. Turning every silence into a song. Raise the flag and let it fly. I'm not waiting for a sign. Raise the flag above the noise. I'm not breaking, I'm a voice. Raise the flag. Raise the flag. Everything I lost is coming back. Walking through the fire with my head held high. Burning every version of the alibi. People said I wouldn't, but I'm standing here. Turning every doubt into a souvenir. Took the longest road, but I found my way.
Thank you for coming along this journey. Every journey has its challenges. We went from Blue Ridge to Guffy. Got to check out Guffy. Did some scenic flying, cinematic flying with the drone. Had a drone crash, had a broken bike. all in all, everybody's safe, everybody's good, and we're heading out. Again, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content, and get out there and ride and have a good time. Don't forget to explore. Life has a lot of mysteries to explore. Explore, explore, explore. Yeah.